feed the stray cat. All right. There you go. Yucky. Hey, White Paws. I know you scare her away. You stay there because it's wet on the grass, okay? Here you go. Gizzy. Hold on, look, Gizzy. Because you're not going to... She's coming, is she? What is White Paws?
Yeah.
There she is, look. She's getting a lot braver now, isn't she? Right. Come on, Gizzy. This is yours. Go on, Giz. This way. Go on. Look. Go on. Gizzy, come on. Come on. Gizzy. Right, you go in so I can get Gizzy in. There you go, Gizzy. Right, you go in. So I can get Echo in. And then I'll climb you over it, don't worry.
Watch it all the way through.
Right, let's see. There's White Paws coming back now, look, to eat. There she is.
Ready?
Don't scare her. If you roar at her, you're roaring at her. She'll get scared. There you go, White Paws. Gizzy's there. Echo, look. Eating. It's all right.
Welcome. And this is Neo making a deal. He wants to trade Fortnite.
Come on, White Paws. Good girl or boy.
It's on my machine for a start.
Oh, good girl or boy, whichever you are. Hey, Eki. Look how friendly she is now. They're literally together, look. You can get them both together. White Paws and Gizzy. And Echo Bug. There you go. Say bye.